Hello, and welcome to this short video on how to get the most of the Deep Packet Inspection Consortium Zotero library. The library is a collection of documents and materials related to the development of DPI technology. This includes everything from user manuals to academic conference presentations. It even provides access to resources that weren't publicly archived before this project. Let's get started. When we open the library, we can see a list of all its items. The user interface may look slightly different in different browsers. Each item listed is linked to its source on the internet. If you want to see the details of a specific item, such as the author, release date, publication, you can simply click on the item and its details will appear at the right. Double-clicking on the item will open it up in a separate browser tab. The items that are inside of the library have been categorized into collections, which you can see at the left. Collections are shown with an icon of a folder in front of the collection name. If you are interested in, let's say, Network General, you could simply click on that collection title on the left-hand side and see all of the items that have been categorized into that collection. Clicking on the library title line in the upper left corner will show you all of the items in the library again. One of the most effective ways to find what you're looking for is with the search feature in the upper right. Click on the magnifying glass icon to look at search options. If you choose to include full text content in your search, Zotero will search within items to find your search terms. For example, if I want to find information related to the FDDI Management Information Base, or MIB, I may search for FDDI MIB. If I search without the full text content option, I will only find one item. However, if I enable full text content search, 16 items are returned. This type of search is recommended. Once I have found these items, I can create citations or export data for use in other reference management systems. Creating citations only works for individual items. If you wish to cite a group of items, you can select multiple items and click Create Bibliography. You will have the option to change the citation style and copy the results to the clipboard. If you are interested in looking for a specific search term inside of a collection, click the collection first and then type in the search term. I'm interested in the phrase bandwidth as it relates to F5 products. I'll select the F5 collection and type in bandwidth. If you search well inside of a collection, your results will be limited to the items inside that collection. If you want to search the entire library, make sure you are looking in the library's top folder by selecting the library title line in the top left. I hope this short video helps you use the DPI Consortium Zotero library for your own research.